Welcome back, and now news from sports. Salgaocar Sports Club and Dempo Cricket Club will face off in the finals of the Goa Professional League 3 2020 on Sunday. Dempo have proved tough when it mattered in this edition's G.P.L, and they beat group stage leaders NRB Goa Sports Academy in the semi-finals on Saturday. Salgaocar made a glorious recovery after losing their top order cheaply and defeated GCA Academy Stars in the other semi-final. This sets up a clash that is familiar matchup in top football tournaments, a Dempo versus Salgaocar showdown. The finals will be played at the Goa Cricket Academy ground at Porvorim on Sunday at 2 p.m. In the second semi-final of the day, Salgaocar were instantly put on the back foot. The Green Brigade lost their swashbuckling opener Sagun Kamath and Rupesh Sarvankar in no time. Sahil Duri soon got out too. Vishal Singh had to curb his natural style and play cautiously. He, along with Rohit Naik, steadied the ship and developed a crucial partnership for the fourth wicket. However, in the 14th over, Vishal cut loose and turned the match once and for all. Vishal getting to his 50th in the ball game.
Another hit back to back, and it's not the same. It's a handicap sixer.
Vishal was dismissed, but a flurry of quick runs by the Salgaocar lower order propelled them to an inspiring 144 in their 20 overs. But they lost a few wickets on the way as well. Prathamesh Solanki striking a few sixes towards the end. In reply, the GCA side never looked in the chase. They kept losing wickets at the start. However, Keeman Baz and Mohammad Sarfaraz stitched the innings and put together 34 runs for the 6th wicket, and later on, Sumiran Amonkar provided some big hits. Despite that, GCA stars could not make a decent chase of the target. Salgaocar bowlers bowled well, and here are the fall of wickets. Vishal Singh was awarded the Man of the Match award.
जिम्मेदारी थी आप पे, 3 विकेट गिर चुके थे और आप वहां गए और रुके और एक लंबी पारी खेली।
गेम प्लान तो था कि मीडियम पेसर्स की बॉल अच्छी थी, विकेट मीडियम पेसर्स के लिए, तो मैं सरवाइव करने का सोचा और जब स्पिनर्स आए तो स्कोर अच्छा हुआ हम लोग और काफ़ी हम लोग का बैट्समैन थोड़ा डेप्थ तक है तो इजी था।
In the other semi-final of the day, Dempo continued their dream run and outscored the best team in the group stages, NRB Goa Sports Academy. Swapnil Asnurkar scored a towering 80 in GSA's score of 118, but that would never be enough for the Dempo batters as they achieved it in 18 overs. Swapnil though was awarded the Man of the Match award.
Our reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar.
Goa's hopes of qualifying for the semi-finals were dashed after the hosts went down by a goal to bottom-placed Meghalaya in the 34th Sub-Junior National Football Tournament of the Coca-Cola Mir Iqbal Hussain Trophy. The defeat also comes close on the heels of Goa Football Association's decision to review all performances for lack of winning displays by various state teams.
Goa had to win the game to qualify for the semi-finals after Orissa had beaten UP. The added pressure of having to secure all 3 points seems to have taken its toll on the Goan side. The hosts created many chances but failed to finish them. 20 minutes from time, Goa's misfiring cost them dearly as Meghalaya got the winning goal. Orissa and UP qualified for the semis.
All these last 3 games we played well, but lacking in the striker, speed striker. But today the boys, they played very well today. Nice game.
So beating Goa is a great.
No, because Goa they need a win, no, to qualify for. It's so sad for, but so sad for Goa not to qualify to the G.P.L. But actually we lost 3 games and only 1 game also we didn't win. So a win for us, we'll go home with 1 win.
On Tuesday, the Goa Football Association Executive Committee and the GFA Coaching Committee had decided to have an extensive meeting to discuss and review the performance of all the Goa teams in various tournaments. This meeting will now be even more important as Goa has crashed out of national tournament after losing to a bottom place team in the group stages. Our reporter Savio Dias from Fatoda.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our news bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.